Uba polling do Menteri Bedai Kemi yakatan social welfare ke sorkar jelau lo ong ba undang pan jingshai halor ke jingsha keno ïalam bakla ba ka shithi na under secretary ke tnad saki deputy commissioner ke east castles but west castles halor ke castles autonomous district council khasi social custom of Linage Act khandai spa kane penyo kumman sikudo ba ka new trap youth council HYC haki khendiat sngi baladap kala dawana ke sorkar jela ba ka ribon weng ya ke shithi kumman sikudo ba ka te ke shithi ko ong ba ka Linage Act khandai penyo kam khang ban asnot chelutrai shaki nong apply ki ba simjai nokpa ni naka kami bat kumju ka jingsimjai no sinrang da kan thei bamde khasi henry ya kalini chak khnai spa khnai phunyo ka kado shai ba ka snot khasi trai la ban ai shaki nu ki khun jung ki sijur ki ba kpa ude khasi bat ka kami bamde khasi tang hadin bala pendep ya kali niam tang jai bat ka kami bamde khasi kamla ban simjai khasi
I fully understand the concerns raised by the HYC, and in this connection, I have sought for the relevant file to be put up to me, and it is strange that such a notification has been issued, because in the process of legislation, once a bill has been passed by the council and has got the assent of the governor, it means that it has gone through the process of being scrutinized by the state government, and no notification should ever be in a position to dilute any piece of legislation, especially an act that has got the assent of the governor of the state. Well, as I said, I have called for the relevant file. I'll go through the details accordingly.